Hello everyone, this is Engineer Mac. It's my honor here to introduce my additive bending machine for you. This machine is a combination machine. It can produce the straight edge and the curved edge. Okay, let's learn more about this machine object part. This function is the pre-milling function and bevel cutting function and bevel glue pot and straight glue pot. Straight press roller and bevel press roller. This four function is for the bevel model. Again, this is the edge cutting function and the straight press roller. This whole function is for the straight model. And this is fan trimming 1, fan trimming 2, and edge cutting function, color rounding function, and the scraping function. Again, this is the buffering function 2, and release and clean function. Okay, let's test and start the machine for you. At first, we show you the bevel model. Let's try straight model. This is the effect. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.